Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. Hope you and your little one are fine at home, right? Yes, I welcome you all for our day 22nd English online reading class. And today's topic is how to introduce double consonant words to your little one. This is the second level of phonics reading class, and so far we taught our kids how to read CVC words using A, E, I, O and U. And this is the next level. So when you are introducing double consonant letters, especially the same double consonant words, you should introduce in such a way. That's going to be really helpful for your little one. So let's begin with double L. Okay, that is the easiest one. Since we are concentrating on beginners, we should start with the easiest way of making them read. So double L. Here the double L sound says the same sound. It's L, the same sound. Now how do we make our children read these double L consonant words when they are along with the vowels? Let's see this. The first word is all, right? This is a three-letter word, all. And here you have three-letter word, il. This is actually a sight word, high frequency sight word. It says all. Now along with this, you can add some of the consonant and make your child read as a four-letter word, as a double consonant word, like this. B and all together. B, all. Ball. K, all. Call. F, all. Fall. Right? The same way. M, all. Mall. H, all. Hall. Here you have two more words. That's T, all. Tall and W, all. Wall. Now let's see how to do this. This is A, L. The sound of E is, the common sound of E is A, right? When you are joining L, double L along with E, it's A, L, L. Some of the examples, see, B and L. B, L, bell. F, L, fell. Even you can write S, L. But don't do this right now. Don't make your child confused right now, because the common sound of C we taught them like it's K. Okay. So let them do this after 2-3 chapters, after 2-3 levels. We can introduce the different sounds of each consonant separately. So now please don't add this. The next one is H, L together. H, L, hell. S, L, cell. Right? T, L, L. Let me show you two more words with the combination of L. It's W, L, well. Right? And Y, L, yell. I hope this is really easy for you to make your child read the combination of double consonant words. Okay? Now the next combination is il. When you join consonant B along with E sound, E and L together, it's il, B, ill, bill. F, ill, fill. H and ill together, ill, hill. M, ill, mill. P, ill, pill. Easy, right? Here you have two more words with ill sound. It's T, ill, till and W, ill, will. And the next combination is when you add vowel O along with double L, all. Clear? We have a word like D, all. D, all. Doll. P, all. Now the next combination, that's vowel U along with double L. So far we taught our kids the sound of U is A. But when you write a 4-letter word with U and double consonant L, the sound changes. Some of the sounds changes. Especially when you are writing B along with this combination like B and U double L. Here the sound says it's bull, bull, yes. And when you are writing D along with the same combination, the sound says dull. Here U sound and here it is A sound. U and A. That is the difference of 4-letter words when you are writing along with U and L combination. And here you have P, ul, pull, F, ul, full. And now this is the right time to teach our kids the difference of these two sounds, especially when the U sound comes along with B and P and F. The sound says U. Most of the places, not always, most of the places. Like P, ush, push. This we are going to concentrate later. Don't confuse them right now. This we will be doing in our future videos, future classes. Like bush, bush. These are some of the examples which I just want to make you all understand, not the kids. So when we are conducting classes in future, we will add these topics. So these combination can be practiced only by giving more words and more practice. I hope this video is going to be a useful one for you. I'll see you all soon in our next class with some more combination of same double consonant words. Till that, take care. Bye bye.